We got a note from a viewer named Don Griffin, and he was thrilled to nominate his best friend Clive Whittaker to be our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. And I said they're best friends. It's an improbable friendship. Don is from the tiny island of Nevis in the Caribbean. Clive is from Zimbabwe, and they were both living in Orlando over 15 years ago, and they were part of a group doing Sunday morning motorcycle rides. Don says he and Clive discovered they had a common passion for speed and adrenaline, and in the years since then, they've been best friends, taking road trips to see races all over the U.S. and sometimes even crewing for various amateur road racing teams. As for Clive, his love for racing started in Africa when he was a kid. He'd climb the fence to watch race cars at his local track in Bulawayo, and that's when he was hooked. He's worked as a marshal for MotoGP racing and even for Formula One in Miami. And if Clive's not at the track, you can find him on his motorcycle. One of his biggest accomplishments, the 1,000-mile Iron Butt Challenge from Florida all the way over to Texas. Don says no one deserves to be the PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week more than his brother from another mother, Clive Whittaker. And we agree, although you've been right there with him, Don, so you most certainly win honorable mention. Well, now it's your turn. Head on over to MotorheadGarage.tv. Tell us who should be the next Motorhead of the Week, presented by PaintedAutoParts.com. Could be you, could be someone you know. Hey, we're going to show you more of the greatest aftermarket gear for your vehicle when we do this again next week on Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonFireTools.com. We'll see you then.